Warning! Bitag Live Morning caters to mature audiences. Topics discussed are particularly on hot, timely, current issues purposely intended for Filipino viewers and listeners worldwide. Discussions may contain language that may not be appropriate for some sensitive audiences. If you do not approve of the content listed above, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewer maturity is advised. If you admitted that you have some weaknesses, and you admit that weaknesses, you made a mistake, then that's good, because that's the way you're saying that humility, pakumbaba. Kung ikay inaamin mo na ikay may kahinaan at ikay nagkamali sa nakaraan, hanggang ganun na lang ba? Likely. When you committed something that you felt, kahinaan mo, the weaknesses, na sinabi mo, but I'm no evil woman, I may have weaknesses, pero hindi ako tumalikod doon sa sinasabing, my country to my country. Mamma mia. Let's go back doon sa sinasabi mong may kahinaan ka. Alam naman siguro may kahinaan doon sa, hindi naman ho inaamin ni Laila de Lima ng relasyon na basta't sinasabi niya, inaamin niya na lang na siya'y nagkamali. At doon sa pagkakamali, ang isang tao pag nagkamali kasi, kinakailang umaamin ka. O kung umaamin ka pagkakamali mo, paano mo mababago yun kung hindi ka nagsisisi? At ipinangangako mo na hindi mauulit yung kahinaan mo na yan, kasi baka maulit yung kahinaan mo, balik ka sa dati. Ala rin palang binatbat yung sinasabi mong kahinaan na ikay nagkamali. Ano hong kahinaan yun? Well, hindi ho, yun hong parte na yun, private ho yan. Weaknesses in my private life, love life, and has nothing to do with my professional life. I stood by and defend my country and honor of their country. Alam nyo kasi, boss, ako naniniwala, in order for you to say na nakita mong kahinaan mo, nakita mo yung mga pagkakamali mo, hindi sapat yung sinasabing, nakita ko, inaamin ko ang kahinaan ko, inaamin ko yung pagkakamali ko. Dapat ang kasunod noon, hindi na mauulit kailanman. Natuto na ako. Alahong ganun eh. There's some kind of redemption. That's because you say the country and personal life magkaiba. May mga tao kasi mahina sa kanilang personal, life, but they're strong in their public life. But sometimes your personal and your public, it intertwines because you talk about RAIC. Let me say what RAIC means. R-A-I-C. It stands for respect, acceptability, integrity, and credibility. Respect and get respected. Respect yourself and then get respected. I'm not saying na binababoy mo sarili mo, but there's such thing as self-respect, a certain standard na because ikay may ginagampanan na posisyon na Department of Justice, hindi lang yung Honorable Department of Justice Secretary ka noon, you must be also honorable as an individual, that your decisions and your actions stays honorable and respectable. Hindi ho natin kinukundina, hindi ho natin kinukondem dito ng isang tao. Para ako naniniwala, saan ho yung sinasabing ako'y nagsisisi sa manangyari kung ako'y nagkamali? Lahat naman ng tao pag nagkakamali, may pagkakataon para pagsisihin ng pagkakamali, doon siya natututo. Wala hong ganun eh. Ang kakyaw-kyaw pa, ang ingay pa eh, pinagmamalaki. Kung nagkamali man ako, hindi ako tumalikod sa aking bansa. Well, respect and get respected. But you gotta have to have self-respect to be respected. If the people around you working and then they're seeing there's a double standard, doon sa personal mo, that's the basic of what you call integrity. If you're a man of integrity, a woman of integrity, dapat makita sa iyo sa personal mo, ganun din sa iyong private, sa public life mo. Marami ho kasi sa mga politiko na ang gagaling ho nila sa pagiging public figure, pero sa kanilang personal na pamumuhay, doon ho yung sinasabing loose morals, mali-maling pinagagawa, hypocrisy is the word. Then and only then, when somebody says, nagkamali ako at ako'y nagsisisi, hindi na ka mauulit yan, at ako'y natuto na, I learned my lesson well, and please, you know, I'm human, committing mistakes, but the difference is, that's not gonna happen anymore. Yun ang hinihingi natin, hindi yung isa-segue mo agad, nagkamali ako. You want sympathy, but you haven't really said something like, is it gonna happen again? Baka naman sa susunod na yan, iba na naman ang estilo. I mean, kung ano yung sa pribado, ano bang issue rito? Ang pinag-uusapan natin dito, hindi mo pwedeng angkinin na sa publicly, I am the champion of justice. Well, if you're the champion of justice, there's also injustice in your partner. It's an injustice with having an affair with someone who's married to somebody, and it's an injustice doon sa kalaguyo mo, ka-affair mo, na hindi alam ng pobreng asawa na siya ay ganare mo. You get what I'm saying? I'm not being self-righteous dito. There's a certain standard people expect from you when you are in a public office.